Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're playing Roblox Firefighting Simulator.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just equipped the basic hose. Go to the highlighted
Hey,
part
Tommy, wait at
to
me.
save
Wait
it
for me.
from the fire. Yeah, I see. What is this daily? Oh my gosh, this is so laggy. Claim my daily road.
Oh my God, what's happening? Ah! I'm gonna write report. Okay,
So guys, yeah, I'm gonna soon go to the highlighted part to save it from fire. Yeah. So how do we do this? Come on, you gotta like shoot it. How is this not doing anything? Hold down to turn on. What is this? Basic fire. How is there something called basic fire? Wait, I can't do anything.
Quest guy.
Hold down to turn on.
Where are you, Tommy?
How do I turn it on? I don't like this.
Where are you?
Really, I can't do it. Turn it on. Yes, I'm changing the Roblox game. I can't do it. So guys, now I decided to change the game because that game I didn't really know how to play. My brother just figured it out himself. But I wasn't even bothered because it took a while to load. Join the game. But yeah, Monty's not here with me anymore. Okay, so yeah, let's claim the hive. I like this bit. So yeah, as you can see, I got the tabby bee, puppy bee. Can I just? I don't like. Yeah, last time you saw me play this, I gave you some codes, but yeah, Moon Miracle I spelled wrong. It's actually, but it's expired now. Why am I even doing it? It's expired. But yeah, I have some codes there. So that no guy gift. Guy gift. Yeah, that's the code. I already used it. So yeah, it's for the YouTuber that guy TG. That guy, the YouTuber's called that guy. You could say TG for short, or yeah, something like that. But yeah, I also have wiki on wiki honor. I already used it. And after wiki honor, I think we have wiki award. There. So we have those codes. I'm just gonna, I'm trying to get subscribers. I'm gonna tell everyone I'm recording. Wait, okay, let me. Rep. Video. No, video spelled wrong. Video. Guys, I'm recording a video. You're actually gonna ask me what's the channel name. Okay, subscribers. I'm gonna reply. Come on. Yes, she kind of cool. So yeah, no one's replying. Who's that? But yeah, this guy likes me now. Yeah, so he likes me. Yay! So guys, Hardy. Okay, Hardy, wait, stop. Hardy. Yeah, I don't know what it means. So guys, yeah, Hardy, please stop it. Hardy.
Oh, even check out.
Hardy, stop it. Hardy, stop it. Why are you watching? You know you're not allowed to do this stuff. Hardy, you're not allowed to do this stuff.
What's that?
Watch MLG stuff, you dumbo. Oh, my neck is hurting now. Yeah, so yeah, I want to get one. recording on YouTube video. Please subscribe to me. Recording. Oh my gosh, it's hilarious. But yeah, I already spent like 5 minutes doing this. I don't know how, but yeah. So I'm gonna go up on top of. Let's just see. So my weapon that I cost like 100 million gold. I mean that's a lot. Really a lot. Is no name. Please sub. That is the channel name, please. Oh my gosh. Yay, free subscribers. Okay, that's just hilarious. And make sure to like. Aka? What does that mean? What does Aka mean? I don't know what that means. Please just tell me. Oh my gosh. This actually gets me free subscribers. Sunflower field. Oh my gosh, we're actually gonna subscribe on this hobby. Let me go to the sunflower field, so yeah. That's a clover field. What am I doing? Sunflower field. Okay, so gotta go. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? I really don't know what that means. Get on that moment. So, how much do I have? Okay, that's all something. But yeah, just walking around, collecting pollen. I think they're speaking a different language, guys. Really, I don't know. Hardy, stop it. Hardy. Hardy. So stop it. Okay, that was just. But yeah, I really don't know much to do. Really subscribe. That's very cool. Like, let us really subscribe. I'll be so happy. But yeah, let me go get this. Sorry for that. Get this video. I'm so sorry. I don't want to be mean anymore. I don't like it. Burada Rosita G B C Y D R Lu U the Ya on Lara Go T Rosini. Okay, I don't know what that means. Is he speaking a different language? Oh, what? Me. You please speak English. Please speak English. I would appreciate that. So yeah, please subscribe. I hope you subscribe. Guys, my gosh, George. Okay, this is the way to get subscribers. To me, I like that. I just want to. my friend's channel, Awesome Liam YT. Just type Zombie Factory in the end, or you're gonna find a million awesome Liams, but not the one he wants. He has a good ninja icon, but yeah, he has a good ninja icon. But honestly, I really think shout out to his channel, my friend, because I'm doing a challenge with my friend. Guys, my shirt. No. Please subscribe to my channel. Yes, type it up. Let me get that. Yes, I got it. So I get like 16 tab. It actually stacks up to 1,000. So wait, what is it? Subscribe. Okay, let me go. So yeah, I'm different let me just yeah, take this one. No. I needed to yeah, please just maybe because I've got other videos you can do if you're not barely famous. So yeah. I wish video. But now I can like going looking for the device. Just for you to hear me guys. Please just subscribe to us. Hard labor. Yeah, I'm still gonna be growing to 2000 million. Okay, come on, put the radio on. Yeah, this is just hard labor.